Hi Sam. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks, Alex. Excited for today's lesson.
Great to hear. Today, we're learning the word
anbieten,
Anbieten.
What does that mean?
It means to offer in English. It's a common verb used in many contexts. The most frequently used meaning is to present something for acceptance. Just be careful, the English word offer can sometimes have different nuances.
Interesting. Can you tell me more about how
Anbieten.
works grammatically?
Of course,
anbieten,
is a separable verb. In the present tense, it goes like this.
ich biete an. Du bietest an.
And
Sie, es bietet an.
in the past tense, you would say
Ich bot an.
for,
Präteritum.
and in the
Perfekt.
it's.
Ich habe angeboten.
So, can I use it in an imperative way too?
Yes. You can say,
Biete an.
when telling someone to offer something.
That's clear. Is there a specific context where this word is particularly useful?
Definitely. You might use it when you're at a restaurant, or when you want to make an offer during a negotiation.
That's helpful. Where does the word
Anbieten.
come from?
The word comes from Old High German. The prefix means on or at, and the root
Bieten.
means to bid or to offer. Over time, it evolved into the modern German we use today.
That's fascinating. I love the history behind words.
I'm glad you think so. It really gives a deeper understanding of the language. Now, let's break down the word.
Sure. What are the components?
The prefix is, which suggests direction, and the root is.
Bieten.
There's no suffix here since it's a simple verb. Each part combines to mean to offer something.
That makes sense. Are there other similar words in German?
Yes, there are quite a few. For example, with the prefix, we have,
Annehmen.
which means to accept. Another one is,
Anrufen.
meaning to call.
What about any with the same root?
Bieten.
Good question. There's,
Gebieten.
which means to command, and,
Vermitteln.
meaning to mediate.
I see how they connect.
Also, with the suffix, you can find
Einladen.
which means to invite, and
vorstellen,
meaning to introduce.
Got it. What are some real-life situations where I could use
anbieten,
For sure. Imagine you're at a cafe. You could say,
ich biete Ihnen Kaffee an.
which means I offer you coffee.
Okay, let me try.
ich biete dir Wasser an.
Perfect. That's correct. Another situation could be in a business meeting. You could say,
Ich biete eine Lösung an.
which means I offer a solution.
Ich biete eine Idee an.
How's that?
Exactly right. Now, how about at a party? You could say,
Ich biete Snacks an.
I think I'm getting the hang of this.
that's the spirit. Now, as for the gender,
Anbieten,
is a verb, so it doesn't have a gender. But if we look at the noun form,
Angebot,
which means offer, it's neuter, so you'd say,
das Angebot.
How do I remember that?
a good mnemonic might be to visualize a gift box, which is often a surprise offer.
That's a helpful image. Are there any common phrases I should know?
Yes. Some typical collocations include
Ein Angebot machen.
meaning to make an offer,
Ein gutes Angebot.
meaning a good offer, and
Ein unverbindliches Angebot.
which means a non-binding offer.
What about words that sound similar but are different?
A common confusion is with,
Annehmen.
which means to accept rather than to offer.
I see how that could be tricky.
Let's do a little recall check. What does
Anbieten.
mean?
It means to offer.
Correct. How do you say I offer you coffee in German?
Ich biete dir Kaffee an.
Right again. Can you give me the past tense form?
I think it's
Ich bot an.
Exactly. Now, what's the noun form related to?
Anbieten.
is it?
Angebot.
Yes. And what gender is that noun?
It's neuter, so.
Das Angebot.
Great job, Sam. Last question, can you use
Anbieten.
in an imperative form?
Sure.
Biete an.
This has been really fun, Alex.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Remember, today we learned about
Anbieten.
which means to offer. Keep practicing, and you'll get even better.
Thanks, Alex. I will practice more.
You're welcome. See you next time.